ER visits related to mental health are on the rise from 5-year-olds to teenagers. Kids are absorbing everything that's happening with NTI, a pandemic, civil unrest. Kristen Goodwillie goes through the data and introduces you to the counselors who are working long hours to ensure their students feel heard.
The latest numbers are telling. The CDC says that in 2020, emergency room visits for mental health among children 5 to 11 went up 24%. Now 12 to 17-year-olds went up 31%, and that's just one of the reports.
What I can tell you as a clinician is that I'm concerned about my patients.
The American Academy of Pediatrics also says youth suicide ideation increased in 2020.
It is having a huge impact on young people.
It's a problem that school health counselors have been facing.
I think it's hard for us as adults to really understand, and I've started telling kids I will not insult you by saying I understand.
Tanika Campbell is a counselor at Atherton High School. She's beloved by her students and is finding new ways to try and be there for them.
Not being able to reach them is emotionally draining, and then the long hours, again, trying to respond to students at their opportune times.
Affectionately referred to as Mama Campbell, she says it's a challenge to not be there with her students, and she can see the toll it's taking on them.
The students I talk to, they're just completely overwhelmed.
She validates those kids no matter what their concerns are.
Kathy Hoekowitz's daughter has Campbell as her counselor. She says children are absorbing a lot right now with NTI, the pandemic, and civil unrest.
They are that adult where these kids can process a lot of this, where they can lean.
At a time when the social aspects of high school seem just as important as the education, Campbell meets her kids where they are.
Just giving kids hope, reaching out to let them know, I'm thinking about you, I'm here.
JCPS says they're working right now on plans to ensure kids have the counselors and help they need once students begin transitioning back into the classroom. I'm Kristen Goodwillie, WHAS 11 News.